The objective of our product is to create beneficial food product from local purple water yam crop. Generally, water yam have a lot of benefits. By creating this product, consumer can get a lot of benefit from it. Second, to develop traditional Laksam product that is convenient and nutritious. Nowadays, there are not many people who cook Laksam. This Laksam also a bit difficult to prepare. By creating this product, people can consume Laksam more easier and can retain this traditional food. This convenient food also more nutritious compared to other convenient food. Third, to improve appearance of Laksam using natural color from purple water yam. By this natural coloring product, it can attract children to eat and consume this product. It is also more genuine compared to product that is used permitted food coloring. Next is the target market of our product. First, this product is suitable for all ages of consumers. This product has a soft texture, so if elderly consumers want to consume, it is easy to chew and swallow. Second, consumers that allergic to gluten. Our product does not use wheat flour. We only use corn flour and rice flour. Next is the current problem. First, the usual Laksam has a short shelf life. It is easy to spoil if does not store properly. Second, the usual Laksam also have gluten allergen because it is made by wheat flour and rice flour. Third, Malaysian convenient food does not have a lot of healthy and nutritious food. By consuming our product, you can prepare the food easily and still have a nutrient at the same time, and also can avoid gluten allergen for consumers who have allergic to gluten.
Product description is: our product is produce Laksam from purple Wateryam instant and convenient Laksam product. Next, packs and distribute in frozen condition, and then microwavable. And the last is, it is easy to consume. Company name is Infana Enterprise. The ingredient we use to produce Laksam is water yam, rice flour, corn flour, lime water, oil, warm water, and salt. The ingredient we use to produce paste is tamarind slice, ginger, chili, onion, coconut milk, fish, and Vietnamese mint. The percentage of this product is the method for processing Laksam is: first, wash the water yam to remove dirt and soil. Then, peel off the water yam and cut into the small pieces. Second, boil the water yam at 100 Celsius for 30 minutes. Grate water yam for 5 minutes. Then, add water yam, rice flour, lime water, salt, oil and corn flour, and water yam to the boil. Next, mix all ingredients and preheat at steamer. And then put the plate in steamer first. Then pour the mixture on the plate. Steam for 2 minutes. Take out the plate, roll with a plastic knife. Then cut it. The method for the processing paste is: first, wash and remove the internal organ of the fish. Second, boil the fish for 7 minutes. 3. Blend fish, ginger and onion for 3 minutes. Then pour to the pot and mix all ingredients for 3 hours until the gravy become paste. Last, the paste is ready.
The novelty of instant purple Wateryam Laksam. First, this product is instant yet nutritious and fulfilling food product. This product is frozen instant food and can be kept for a long time and different from the original product that are sold in market which only last for 1 or 2 days only. Second, this product is traditional food that is convenient and easy to be consumed anytime. Laksam is a traditional food in Kelantan that is made from wheat flour and rice flour. But we made some changes where we use purple Wateryam, corn flour and rice flour instead of wheat flour. Next, additional of purple Wateryam in the Laksam. Purple Wateryam was one special novelty that we use. Purple Wateryam is very famous in East Coast State. It grows seasonally but can be kept for a month. This product is traditional Laksam with attractive purple colors from natural source. We use raw purple Wateryam instead of food coloring for Laksam. This product is gluten-free and excellent energy. We decided to change the wheat flour with purple Wateryam to make our product free gluten. This product is also high in protein and nutritionals because Wateryam itself has a high level protein compared to the plain Laksam. Lastly, why consumers should buy the product? We believe that this product can give a big attraction to consumer as this purple Laksam with natural ingredient is something new to them. This gluten-free product is really suitable for those that have allergy to gluten. This product is easy to keep and to eat as it is frozen.